Finding defects in Jira is essential for tracking and managing issues that impact product quality. Here's how to locate defects efficiently. Log into Jira. Access your Jira account with the necessary permissions to view issues and defects. Navigate to the Issue Navigator. Click on the Issues tab in the top navigation bar and select Search for Issues. This opens the Issue Navigator where you can search and filter issues. Use Basic Search. In the Issue Navigator, use the basic search options. Choose issue type from the filter criteria and select bug. Apply additional filters. Refine your search by applying additional filters like project, status, priority, or assignee. This helps narrow down the list of defects based on your specific needs. Switch to advanced search. For more precise searches, switch to JQL. Enter a query like issue type equals bug to find all defects. You can further refine with additional criteria. Review results. Review the filtered list of defects. Click on individual issues to view details such as descriptions, comments, and resolution status. Save filters. To save the search for future use, click Save As and name your filter. This allows quick access to the list of defects later.